kind of technology?
From FITAG, the thing is,
Thank you so much, Zakir sir, for joining us with your channels today. So, I want to start the conversation is what are your expectations from your startup at Expo and what kind of technology or product portfolio you are showcasing here?
uh, so from FITAG, the thing is, it's a premier event of Gujarat, and we expect a lot of partners to come into this event. It's a second year we are attending over here, and we see a good crowd. It's a 2-day event mainly for interacting with your channel partners, with whom you are working, and to find new partners. And then Gujarat is a big state; it's a big growing state. It makes a lot of sense to be over here, and our expectations are very clear. We are looking forward to meet all our old partners and also connect with a lot of new channel partners who are coming in, a lot of students, etc., coming in inquiring about new technology. So, being in the field of security and cyber security solutions and distribution of this product, we always are coming up with new technology and new products. And here also, we are showcasing the PAM solution, the DLP solutions over here, Bit Defender solutions over here, some new products which are there. So it is generating a lot of excitement and interest in the partner community, and also in the customers whoever are coming are looking forward, because now with the DPDP rule, etc., coming in India, all our product line that we are displaying over here, they all represent some part of that policy. So it helps them to understand it better and implement these products in their environment, in their company.
So, can you give us a brief about what kind of product or technology you have recently launched and you are showcasing here?
So we have a PAM solution from Exidian, which we have launched recently in India. Because with the DPDP, every BFSI company needs to be on a PAM solution. That's a new product that we are launching in India. We have another product called File Cloud, which is a DRM solution. And right now, people shifting to cloud, working from cloud. So this can work on which file to give rights to and things like that. So it doesn't expose your data. DLP is another category that we are targeting. And Foxit is a PDF editor. So a lot of people, they do free PDFs and things like that, and then it gets attacked or it exposes. So with this Foxit PDF, you don't have to pay a very high amount of money. It has all the features from the one which are already there in the market, which required, and it's also safe and secure. So Foxit is in that category, and PAM solutions and DLP in those category. So these are new technology that we are launching for Gujarat partners in this FITAG event.
So, overall, the distribution sector, how much growth you are witnessing, and what kind of business strategies you are going to implement for the future, for let's say next 5 years?
So next 5 years in technology is a huge time, because here it changes every month, every day, every hour. But yeah, being into distribution and into cybersecurity solutions, we are committed to bringing in good products, good alternative brand products in India, which the Indian community can afford it. They need to be robust and aggressive good products. That is, we keep on launching. We bring on new technology like Foxit, for example, which we launch against product like Adobe and things like that. And it's doing very good in India. So we will continue to strive and get in those solutions in the next year, month, every year. Growth-wise, we are growing at around 30% roughly this year. Our target was around 40% every year on year. But we are happy with 30 because this year also gone through some changes, and the next 3 months are still there for us to pick up. So we hope to achieve those figures more or less. But we are happy with the current way we are going. And manpower wise, we are around 90 people right now. So we have a target of 120 people by March across India, and we have our offices all across India. So that way we are securely in place to to oversee every year till the next 5 years, bring in new solutions and keep on doing protecting the data of the community at large. That is what the goal is.
So, I think major challenge do you think channel community is facing, and how as a distributor, as a piece of your distribution is helping them to overcome that challenge?
So as I said, this Fitak brings in lot of partners who are not there in any kind of software. They are either CCTV or they are selling some hardware, laptops, etc. So for them, what we are doing is we are teaching them in how they can sell softwares and cybersecurity solutions, and then we give them an entire team of pre-sales and post-sales for them to take advantage of. So if I find a customer, I can do a pre-sales demo, etc. And then after that, I can do a post-sales after the sale has been made. So we tell them that they don't have to worry about anything. We will take care on their behalf all product everything, and they just need to sell. So in that way, we are able to convince and active a lot of other resellers coming into us. So currently, we are working with 1,800 resellers actively across India, and most of them are first timers who are completely depend on us and our team to help them to keep the business running at their end also. What we are doing.
So as union budget is around the corner, so what are your expectations from this budget, especially if we talk about the IT sector, the MSME sectors? Any new kind of announcement you expect, or any new kind of you may say help from the government you expected that government should work upon it for the IT and MSME?
I think the government is already working a lot in the IT industry. But I am not a finance expert, but I would say something better for the IT industry, whereas the people coming into IT or something may get some less tax to pay on salaries or on businesses, and which will also help in creating employment. Because for us, we are looking for people in Gujarat and all. It's very difficult to find talent. So maybe some place where the government can have not only programmers and IT people to repair computers, but for also selling.
Right.
Something like that. But very varied things I'm asking from the government. I don't know how they can do that. But I would still say that the tax for the IT industry should be less in some way. They have to find some solutions. And the cybersecurity knowledge is very much required. And I think everybody from the government to the private departments are working on that. So as an individual, I'll see tax reduction definitely, because the other countries are like in Middle East and all, there's a 5 or 10%, and we end up paying 30 or 35% as taxes when we are at the highest salary. So in a year, we are working like 3 to 4 months for the government, and only rest for us. So maybe if the government can reduce 2 months at least, So for only my 2 months salary goes to the government, rest comes to us. Something like that, but I don't know if our voice is just in there.
Any insight or any message you want to share for the channel community through our motto?
So my thing to the channel always is that they have to make our own company, their own company into a brand. If they are selling a XYZ brand, and if they keep advertising of the brand, then the brand gets famous, and if the brand changes hand, nobody knows them. So I always tell my channel partners that you become a brand in your region. Why someone should come to you? Then when they come to you, you can suggest them what brand they should take.
Right.
But if they come looking for a brand to you, then you are not. You can be changeable very easily. You have nothing for the customer. You're not an asset for the customer at all. But then in the line there are 100 of people, and if you go to any market today, if you go to IT market in Ahmedabad, you will see all boards with brands, and the company name is very, very small. I think it should be other way. Your company name should be in a bigger, and the brand should be in a smaller way, because it's like when we go to a doctor, we know my head pains, I have to take a particular medicine, but I still go to a doctor and I rely on his expertise. So what is happening is, right now what we see is that the customers are not looking to us as doctors. They are looking to us as medical stores. I want this. You don't have, I'll go somewhere else. So it's very necessary for everybody to create their own identity and then to move forward. I think that will only help, because then you can have your own identity in the marketplace.
Thank you so much for giving us your time, and I hope in the future as well we keep having more such conversations.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you.